Yep.
Oh, he's far out there.
Way too far for me to be shooting. Wish I could zero out my gun without having to scope in. Going to check our 6 real quick.
Oh, found him in the. He's in that one of those bushes by the Dacia.
Yep.
There's a little plume of smoke.
So I'm hucking some grenades over there. Back up, Chris.
Right in my line of fire, buddy.
Got him. It's down. Oh, I'm in your line of fire. Shit.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't hear the who of that equation.
Yeah, I'm coming up towards you, buddy. Oh, I just fell.
How bad?
Not bad. I was recoverable.
4 left, 4 left. Play a conservative.
Okay, so that's 2 squads at least.
Come on.
Holy
Come on,
shit.
game. Yeah, we just got circle gifted. The game decided just to hand us something.
I have to watch those fucking rocks to our left, right.
I'm coming over to you guys.
Shit. Shooting at me from bearing due south, 190.
5.
Alright, we got a squad moving down the rocks. Alright, they have eyes on you, Chris.
Oh no, I'm in the grass.
I do this. There's 3 left over there. They have us fucking zeroed in.
Oh,
all due
headshot
south.
him with the K98. Someone's got to get me up. Beast, can you get me up?
Please don't be exposed here. Hit the deck immediately. Yeah, dude.
I'm just kind of shooting wildly. Okay. Seeing at the
I have no
rocks,
helmet again.
195.
Don't like this position. I don't know how to get back to pun.
I don't think you can.
So it's us and them then, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Pretty
so I know
much.
there's guys up on the right, rocks to our. Are we all looking kind of the same direction? Yeah.
Yeah.
Rocks
They're all just due south from us.
Yep.
Jesus. Dude, they got us zeroed fucking in here.
We gotta move to them too. Shit.
Alright, I'm gonna smoke out and then run to the right.
One hit.
One's down,
Nice.
one's down.
Yeah, I nailed him with AWM. Target. We got shots coming in on the left.
Run to the right, run to the right.
One hit on him.
There's another guy to our right somewhere.
That guy's dead. 2 left, 2 left. Alright, I have eyes on him. Flanked. He's due southeast from me. He's behind that tree.
Yep.
Chris.
Shit.
Not like this.
That's okay.
Oh, there's a guy charging in the middle of the field.
Yeah. He's the guy who downed me. He's in the bush. He's in the bush. Kill him in the bush.
Dude, I lit that guy up. Okay, one down, one down. There's one left. He's due southeast of me.
Yep.
Oh, by the tree. There he is. Due south.
There we go. Boom. AWM.
Boom. The railgun. The fucking
Good
railgun. Jesus.
I was still.
Oh, really? Everybody was down?
Yeah. I hit him like in the neck because I was aiming at his chin.